Hey, buddy, how do you like that Gator car wash? Whoa. Welcome to an episode of Little Boy Toys with the Hot Wheel Gator car wash. So, how does it work? Show me where the car goes. Oh no, the alligator's gonna eat the car. Ah.
Boys, it's a car. Food.
Yeah. So how do you wash the car? Wash the car?
A car wash.
Yeah, Gator car wash.
Go. Car wash. Go.
Whoa.
Okay. Car wash.
Gator car wash. All right, here it goes. Keep going. Whoa! Now that is a cool Hot Wheels Gator car wash. The car can go in here. It shoots it out past the gator. A little elevator for the car to go up. Right here, you got the water that comes out. Whoa.
Go.
Go. You gonna make the water come out, buddy? Oh, we need the car. Here it comes. I'm gonna send it up the elevator towards you. All right, see, here it comes up the elevator. Here it comes. Up the elevator. Whoa. Woohoo. See the water? How it comes in and out? All right. Good job, buddy. Whoa, Gator car wash. Whoa. Send it down. It's the Gator car wash. Hot Wheels leading the way. Almost through. Ready, set, woo! Let it go. Oh, is it still wet? Wash it one more time. Whoa. Gator car wash. So what do you rank it, buddy? What do you give it? Oh, there it went. Wash it now. Turn it here. Turn it right there. There you go. Whoa. Keep turning. Woo! All right, now push it. Push it down like this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, blast off. Oh no, the alligator got it. Oh, whoo. Cool. Alligator car wash.